Hi, this is Kerry Artak with Wicked Stocks, bringing you your daily Tesla report for Thursday, February 12th, 2026. Let's take a look at the charts. I am going to jump to this one here, but I've reduced the significance of 411.84 ever so slightly, just because we came off of what it was a 3 to 5 day objective anyway at 430.99. This 430.99 descending essentially a 2-month channel bottom did contain yesterday's highs. We've yet to fall away from it, but it is below 430.99, as I've been mentioning now for the last couple of days, that you can play the short side to its channel base, presently 378.34. Now, in the interim, of course, let's go through a scenario. Today's Thursday. We top out at 430.99. We fall away from here, and we settle tomorrow, Friday, below 411.84. The same formation is, by the way, on the daily chart at 411.34. And if we do close below this area, that is an aggressive down pivot into next week. So if you're reluctant to sell this area on strength, if you have yet to, just know that if we fall away now and close below this structure tomorrow, Friday, for the week itself, and that's important because last week we broke it on an intra-week basis only to come rallying back. But if we close tomorrow, Friday now, below 411.84, that does, combined with the testing of the 2-month channel top, indicate bearish continuation. And yes, still the 317.21 and climbing region attainable within 2 or 3 months, because the descending channel bottom that we see at 378.34 does continue to drop by late March into the 320s, 310s. So, it's not far-fetched to consider this as a real possibility. Over the next month, we can fall to this channel bottom where it will converge anyway with this longer-term channel bottom at 317.21. So you can play. There's a couple of different ways to sort of illustrate this. Holding below 430.99, you can kind of ignore 411.84. I'm talking to 2 to 3 week swing traders, because below which we can fall to 378.34 and dropping daily over the next 2 to 3 weeks, during which time it will begin converging with this longer-term channel bottom. You can see that actually right here, about a month from now, 3 or 4 weeks. So that is the big picture play. And of course, on the way down, if you're looking for kind of an affirmation, if you are short now at the 430.99 formation, closing tomorrow below 411.84 does underscore the likelihood for bearish continuation within 2 or 3 weeks into what is now the upper 370s and dropping on a gradual basis. That is it, really, in a nutshell, to the downside. For the day itself, I still have 411.84, 411.34 on the daily chart that can contain today's lows. It is attainable. I can't say I actually expect it.
If you're finding value in this analysis, it's only a glimpse of what we offer. Your real trading edge starts at wickedstocks.com. Each week, premium members receive 2 high-probability stock picks. Each one comes with a complete trade plan, including exact entry, profit target, stop loss, and regular updates so you can manage the trade with confidence. You'll also get daily video analysis in the top traded markets, the SPY, the Triple Q, and NVIDIA, highlighting the key price levels, trends, and trade setups we're focused on. Whether you're day trading or swing trading, these insights help you zero in on the highest quality opportunities with clarity. Try it all free for 5 days. Cancel at any time.
425.29 is an intermediate structure. It's right here, actually. We close inside of this zone. We could have reduced this to a minor point only, because I don't see this, obviously, 425.29 as a buyable level through next week. Our buy signal through next week and really into March trade would come with a settlement today above 430.99. So, I'll let you do as you may with 425.29. The point I think we're trying to make here is that it remains a range of sellable resistance, but 439.99 is the actual pivot point, below which, as I say, the 320s in reach over the next 3 to 4 weeks, and above which, if we close above 430.99, expect 456.31 within 3 to 5 days, and still, yes, over the next, say, 3 to 5 weeks or so, I would anticipate not 534.31, but rather 501.85. So this is the upside scenario. closing today above 430.99. 3 to 5 day swing traders can play the long side up to this 5/8, 456.31 retracement from that December high against the recent February low. But overall, if you're a longer term swing trader beyond 3 to 5 days, know that closing above 430.99 is an indication to, number one, exit any short position you may have established over the last day or two, and B, reverse and go long. Over the next 3 to 5 weeks, the 501.85 formation is likely, where we will combine it with 534.31 as a long-term resistance area. 534.31 is, once again, this 6-year rising channel top that, if tested over the next, 3 to 5 months, can absorb buying through the rest of the year. I think that pretty much rounds it out. Please click like, share, subscribe. Check out wickedstocks.com. We will have another stock pick that we'll be putting out today, Thursday. We had one on Tuesday, an AI stock. You can see it all for free by going to wickedstocks.com and taking advantage of our 14-day free trial. You also get next week's 2 stock picks. The following weeks, you get the recent stock picks that are still pending and yet to activate. You'll also get the daily NVIDIA report, the daily SPY report, and the daily Triple Q for the next 2 weeks. So check out wickedstocks.com. I'll be back tomorrow, of course, with Friday's Tesla. You have a great day.